What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is T. Thank you so much for stopping in. Don't be a stranger. Hit the subscribe button before you leave. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. If you are returning, welcome back. Make sure that your notification bell is on so that you don't miss an upload. Today, I am in the kitchen again. Tonight, my king has made a request. And honey, I'm telling you, it makes me happy when he tells me what he wants to eat. Because I hate having that long, drawn-out conversation. What do you want? I don't know. What do you want? I don't know. What do you want? Let's just not eat at all. How come we can make life decisions like, hey, let's buy a house. Okay, let's buy a house. But we can't figure out what we're gonna have for dinner. Drives me crazy. So tonight he has made a request and I am one happy wife over here, let me tell you. He has requested a blue cheese crusted steak. And I agreed because it's so easy. It's so simple. It's so easy. You throw some stuff together, put it on the steak, and it's done. Done, done, done. I'm also going to be making some asparagus. Super quick and easy. Biscuits. Some Red Lobster cheddar biscuits. Cheddar Bay biscuits or whatever they're called. They are so bomb. We love these. That's where we throw the carbs in there, honey. Just throw them in. It's super, super easy, so I just thought that I would bring you guys along with me while I cook and show you how simple and easy it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep everything so I can move through this a little bit quicker. Then I'm gonna bring you guys back. And if I go through any of this stuff too fast, everything I used is gonna be in the description box below, so make sure that you check that out. First thing I'm going to do is start on the biscuits. They only take anywhere between 12 and 15 minutes to bake, but this does take the longest. So I'm going to start on these first, and I'm just going to follow the directions on the box. The directions don't state that you have to wear gloves, but I always do when I make these because the dough gets so sticky and it gets up under your fingernails and it's just disgusting. So I always make sure that I wear gloves when I make these. Directions state 14 to 15 minutes, but I always put mine in there for around 12 because of how fast my oven cooks. All right, so I have blue cheese here, and then I have feta here. This is for my steak, that's for king steak. Then I have some chopped up thyme, and then I'm just gonna use these breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and add it here. Actually, let's do 3. Because I have a lot of in there. And then I'm gonna add 1 to mine. And then I'm just gonna mix these up. Then I'm gonna add some thyme to both of them. The biscuits are pretty much done, but because they're going to stay on the cookie sheet while I am buttering them, that means that they may continue to cook for a few more minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and get these out. So I have 1/4 cup of butter here, and then the contents of the package, which is just the herb seasoning. Next up is the steaks. All I'm going to do is season it with some of this Longhorn grill seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic seasoning, and then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in these cast iron skillets and throw the steaks in to cook 2 minutes on one side. Then I'm going to flip the steaks and add the topping. Once I put the topping on, I'm just going to slightly press down with a spoon. Then I am going to pop these bad boys in the oven on broil for about 2 to 5 minutes, just enough time to get all crispy and crunchy on top. So for the asparagus, I am just not a fan of the bottom part. I don't know anybody who is, but I know a lot of people will cut these, and sometimes I do, but if I have the time, then I will just allow these to snap where they want to. That way I can ensure that every bite that I get is edible. The steaks are done and they look so good. Mine's not gonna crust over the way that King's will because he has blue cheese on his, but they smell so good. I wish that you guys could smell this. The asparagus, I'm gonna add on some olive oil. Sometimes I use butter, but tonight we're gonna keep it healthy. I'm just gonna rub this in to make sure that all of the asparagus gets coated in olive oil so that it doesn't burn in the oven. Then I am gonna throw on some dill weed, some Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Off of the cast iron skillet, put it over here on the plates, and I'm just gonna let them rest while we wait on the asparagus to finish. So the asparagus is done. All right guys, this is the finished product. King's got a blue cheese crusted ribeye. I have a feta crusted sirloin. We both have some asparagus and of course some of these yummy biscuits. Now my mama butter biscuits. Raisin butter biscuits, is that what Martin has? Raisin butter biscuits. You want some raisin butter biscuits instead of these?
Raisin butter is nasty. That's really good.
Y'all, this meal was so bomb.
Ooh, so good.
It was so good. I'm gonna have all of the ingredients, measurements, and all of that stuff in the description box below, so make sure that you check that out. That you give this video a big thumbs up if you like these videos, and I will continue to do them on my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one.